Step is to remove all the dust. So, hiram ako. So you have to either brush it or sponge it to remove all the loose materials na sumasabit. So dapat no sand in the surface or dirt. Well, the whole wall is a dirt, but anything that's loose. So yan. So matanggal siya. And the second is to wet it. Like to fully wet it. But our wall is already wet. But you want the wall to be really wet, this color and this color. And also, but make sure that it's not moving. So dapat it's stiff. Same. And then the paint have to be consistent with the, well, what I like about natural paint, if you notice, you cannot replicate the same color. But it's a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing because it's a bad thing because when you work with workers, they'll be like, we have a different shade of what we are trying to create. But if people actually look at the structure from afar, they can see different shades of shade of gray and cream. It's actually more pleasant. I'm not sure if you guys noticed that. I noticed that. I'm like, I gave them different shades of gray, but everything is like blending. Yeah. Because you can, well, in nature, you can see that there's no same shades of green. Yeah. Right? So when you do that with natural pigments, you cannot get the perfect hue of color every time. Which is a bad thing and a good thing. So anyway, so we can maybe work with shades of red or orange, or I don't know if anong gusto nyo. So just make sure that every holes are painted, kasi sometimes people do this and the walls don't get painted thoroughly. So for the earth wall, better to paint it in all direction as well. Sometimes we do crisscross kasi if you keep doing this, you can sometimes see the paint marks. Yeah. Right? Like one direction lang. So better to just like play with it. And sometimes you work, I work with sponges then. So, saan na yung sponge ko? Hawak ko kanina yun. Okay na po. Yan, so sponge. You can use also your hand if you want for like creating different textures. Pwede rin yun. So in the school, they use different sizes of brushes, no? And sponge. We use sponge.
We use only sponge actually.
You use only sponge, yes, because you can cut the sponges and you can create smallest different sizes.
Gawa
so,
ko yung mga ka-organic.
Ha?
Sweet.
Ang cute na nung plant.
Marijuana.
Lagundi nga! Lagundi nga, yun eh.
Ba't may amoy?
Amoy po. Yan, so this one, I made the base color. You can also add oxides to change the shades. So, depends with you if you want some contrast with your painting or if you want to add different colors of green and whatever. You can add. Okay, so better to start first with the background kasi this one is still moving. So you cannot paint first yung sculpture nyo. So just paint the contrast first in the walls. Okay? So are we game na up till
5:30.
5:30?
You have 5 minutes.
5 minutes. No, inner dance is 5
o'clock. Anytime when we are finished. How long you people want to have time with your sculpting?
5:30.
You wanna finish it, right? Otherwise you don't feel complete in life.
Yeah, it's not good feeling. I want to finish this.
Yeah. So maybe we give it an hour.
Yeah, that's good.
So then you have time to finish your sculpting, or 45 minutes?
Because the feeling is not good when you didn't finish this. The feelings.
Ones who want to sculpt their art until the end, is 45 minutes enough?
Yeah.
Okay, so 45 minutes and the rest can paint.
And
And
then
then we can start the session in 1 hour. So you have 15-minute break just to clean
Clean
up
up.
a little bit. And
Okay.
then we'll just, it's literally just, you just come and lie down. And we play the playlist and sounds, and then we go to have dinner after
and
that.
then you have a relationship with your
Wall.
Yeah.
You can process everything. You can process everything you've experienced in this
Yes.
course, in your inner journey. Okay,
Okay.
cool.
Okay.
okay. Start.
What time is it?
Assume.
Now
It's
4:20.
4:27.
Like that. So we finish here at
5:30.
Whenever you are ready with the sculpting and your paint,
right.
and then you can fresh up, and then we start the session in about 1 hour.
Okay.
Here.
From now.
Yeah. From
So we will give you
Hmm?
time check in 30 minutes. So you know your time.
Ano? Pa JJ?
So you can get some paints
Ayun nga. oh.
there.
Gawa na
You will
Ruben
put the
yun eh.
paints here.
I can interview Roji while you are doing. Oh, where's the other? Ano, alahas.
Nakaka-organic at ano po.
Yeah.